Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Fit E. Okay, I did not buy this. We were able to um, win this raffle yesterday at the PLDT event na pinuntahan natin. It's called The Edge. It's their Digicon. And they gave away, I think, 5 or 6 of this to the press and bloggers that attended the event. I was lucky that I won. Okay, so it's a smartwatch. Okay, let's see. It says here it's colored black. Okay, I'm not sure kasi mamaya baka. Pero availability of this is white, yellow, and black. So we have the black one. We're gonna open it up. Still with my trusty switchblade. Yeah. Sorry guys if medyo madilim ano. One of my lights broke. So wala akong magagawa. And the light in the bedroom is now yellow. Nabasted yung mismong light eh. So yellow lang yung available ko. So sorry kung medyo madilim. Okay. That's the box. Inside here is the manual. Okay. Manual lang siya. Okay. Here's the actual watch. Okay. You want to closer. Okay. I assume somewhere here, hiding under here, okay, is the charger. Oh, I don't want to break the box, okay, because we might end up ruffling this off soon. Okay. So it fits like, I guess, by slipping it on. See, there's 2 contact points there in the bottom, so I assume you go like that. Okay. Ayaw. Snap on. Yan. So snap on siya. Okay, so we're gonna plug it in so that you see. Oh, see, it's on. It says Samsung. Okay, open Galaxy wearable on the phone. Okay, so we're gonna try to download that muna. Wait, ayusin ko lang yung tripod. Okay, sorry. Yeah, okay. So it says open the wearable on the phone. Ayun naman kayo. We're gonna get another phone. We're gonna come back. We're back. I was able to download the Samsung wearable app already on my phone. So we're gonna open it up. So while we're opening this, okay. As you can see, there's a lot of choices. Ano, Galaxy Watch Active, Galaxy Fit, Fitty, Buds, may Galaxy Watch pa, Gear Sport, Gear Fit 2, gaya, ang dami. Okay. So mine is the Galaxy Fit. Okay. I'm setting it up on the Leogo M19 nga ba to. Okay, so here as you can see, ano, tumunog siya. So it's the same. So we're gonna pair. Clip-on lang yung charger, no. So you just, may hawakan siya. So igagawin mo lang siya. Okay, yes. Okay. So while waiting for it to connect, as I mentioned, it is black, yellow, and white. It's a 0.74-inch PMOLED screen, 16 by 128 to 193 ppi. Okay, 15 grams lang siya including the strap. Ano, hindi siya yata na tanggalable siya. Tanggalable. Oh. So, okay, pag i-charge mo siya, pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Pero medyo hirap. Pero bulky siya, no? It's big. Okay. So those are the sensors in the back. May water resistance daw siya na 580 m. I'm not sure what this is. And the basic requirement is that your phone needs to be Android 5.0 and above with 1.5 GB RAM. So hindi siya pwede sa mga mababang phone. Okay? So we're opening it na again. It says check your phone pa rin. Start your journey. What happened? Okay. Hindi yata nag-pair kanina. Okay. Okay. So kailangan ng bagong plug-in. You need 2 apps, I guess. So this one is 12.9 MB naman. So we're downloading it using Globe Prepaid Home Wi-Fi for my internet. It's cheaper no than the standard data plans ng sa phone. Kasi 15 pesos per gig na lang after the base plan that you have. Yung kunyari yung 50 pesos na super soft ba yun? Okay? So ang dami nang hinihingi. Okay? Maybe I should have just installed it in the Samsung M20 that I have. Okay, this one now is 8.60 naman. So we'll pause this muna. It's almost done na. Okay, price wise, it's 1,990. This one. Mas mahal yung Samsung Galaxy Fit sa Fit E. So yung E parang while you're pairing, take a moment to get familiar. So you need those 3 apps na dinownload ng phone sa phone. And we're pairing, so we're gonna wait for a while. Nag-pair na siya. Okay. Skip that. Skip. Okay. Okay. So, we're all set now. It's 58% na may software update daw siya mamaya na. So, you can, may health siya, may alarm, may find my band. It's the standard ones I see. A vibration, account. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to read the notifications. Well, yeah. Allow. Okay. Allow. Okay. Okay. So that should. So Facebook, Gmail, Google, Instagram, Messages, Messenger, phone services will be able to access. Yun yung default ano. So we'll turn on the phone. So okay, so yun yung apps na will send notifications. Okay. Other ano, you can lift screen. So pag inangat mo siya, it turns on. So up. So ayan, kita mo lumalabas na yung PM. Okay. So accounts, you can link it to your Samsung account, but I did not mine ano. So I have the other phone maybe there. Okay, so you can set your alarm. Okay. You can install Samsung Health then, so we're gonna get it now from Samsung. So technically I had to install 4 apps. Okay, so we're gonna pause it again. It's taking too long. Finish downloading the app, so you'll need at least 4 apps as we know now, that so that you can actually use your Samsung Fit E band with your phone. Okay. No sign in. I don't want to set up my. So the health app will help you track your steps, okay, record your workout, the food that you eat, the time you sleep, and the number of glasses of water that you drink. So you can get this, I guess, online. Meron dun sa you can just probably check sa Shopee or Lazada. Argo Mall meron siya, nakita ko. When you search it, it's 1,999. So that's a quick unboxing of the Samsung Fit. Ayan, ang ganda yung pumapasok yung chats. Okay? So thanks guys for watching. Sorry medyo magulo kasi at na siya medyo madilim. Thanks. Bye.